The name of this parade is Misty Morn.
Misty Morn is meant to portray a super calm, relaxed, peaceful demeanor. The parade name really came from the color scheme and the whole concept, really just picturing a slightly more modern cabin and just a really peaceful setting. Maybe there's a creek nearby on the property, but just really setting the tone for how we want people to feel when they go through this home. The inspiration for the theme of this house was to really play on the colors and textures that you would find in the mountains. So a lot of the really deep blues and greens and the natural wood aspects from a texture and tone perspective. Playing into that and then incorporating some of the classic barn quilts that you would see on different barns and homes as you drive through the different mountain areas was really important. We made sure from a material standpoint to bring in some of the natural oaks and hickory, as well as some pebbles that you may find in a creek bed near this house.
I would have to say the most unique part of this house is the staircase on the first floor and the second floor where we carried out a lot of wood details. In addition to that, I'd probably say that our patio is pretty unique in this home.
I think the future homeowners will really enjoy hanging out outside around the patio, maybe setting up a fire pit in the center, whether it's sitting in chairs around that fire pit or really just creating an outdoor space beyond the patio. I think in this house, I'm most excited about the staircase. It's the first thing you see when you walk into the house. It's something really different than anything that we've really done ever before in a parade home or really any of our spec homes, and I think people are going to be pleasantly surprised to see it. One of the features that really stands out for me in this house that is a little bit of a surprise feature is the full riser splash that is in the butler's pantry. I went to pick a remnant and managed to find one that mimics the movement of a natural creek bed, so it has this really pretty waviness to it, brings in some of the greens and warm whites, as well as some of the black accents that you'll find throughout the house as well. I think there's a lot about this house that people will find unique. We've got a really small footprint, but some of the details, like the main staircase detail that we did, some of the use of tile and patterns, really create a big wow factor and a lot of impact in such a small space.